I've always believed in a simple truth. You can always edit a bad page. You can't edit a blank page. Too many people spend their entire lives waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity, the perfect timing, the perfect plan, the perfect circumstances. But perfection is often just procrastination wearing a disguise. Successful people understand something different. They know that progress beats perfection every single time. A rough draft can be improved. A mistake can be corrected. A lesson can be learned. A strategy can be adjusted. But if you never start, if you never take action, if you never put yourself in the game, nothing changes. Every successful business began as an idea. Every accomplished entrepreneur started as a beginner. Every large residual income stream started with a single customer. The people who create extraordinary results aren't necessarily the smartest, the most talented, or the luckiest. They're simply the ones willing to take the first step while everyone else is still thinking about it. Because action creates momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Confidence creates results. And results create opportunities that most people never even see. The future you want isn't built overnight. It's built one decision at a time, one conversation at a time, one customer at a time, one day at a time. The question isn't whether the journey will be perfect. The question is whether you're willing to begin. Because a year from now, you'll either be looking back at the progress you've made or you'll still be staring at the same blank page. So if you're ready to reinvent your future and build a seven-figure compounding residual income and take control of your financial destiny, visit TruPowurCareer.com to learn more, and we'll see you on the right side.